Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tori Jade, and I am so excited to be here with you guys and Diamond today, and Addison. So today we are going to be filming my first unboxing video because I just got my very first FabFitFun box. So I'm just going to be walking you guys all through this, and I'm super excited about it. FabFitFun boxes are $50, and then you get over $300 worth of products. For me, it was $321 worth of products, which is super awesome. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, so just hit that like button right down there, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel, Tori Jade, which is just the subscribe button just right down there. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So let's get right on into it. Woo! So I'm super excited about this. Do you see what a pretty color this is? This is like my color and my aesthetic, and I'm so excited about this. Like, it is everything I ever wanted and needed. And what I love about this box is that it is in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society. So I think that is pretty great as well. So let's open her up. And just try not to drop her. It's my... I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing is this cute little magazine. So I'm definitely gonna go through this later. And there's a note from them. It says, at FabFitFun, we are all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the editor's box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. FabFitFun. And then it has what's in the box and what you could get. And yeah. And then you get into the box part. The first thing is this cute necklace. Oh my gosh. So it's kind of like, it's a layered necklace. Here, let's see. Anyway, we're just going to put this on. I think it's really pretty, and it reminds me of something. I can't think of it right now, but oh my goodness. This is really pretty. So I really like this. So that is super pretty. Like, I adore this necklace already. Haven't even like gotten it for that long. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Also, the back of this has like directions for taking care of it. Love me unconditionally. Go gentle. I'm very delicate. I can't swim. Perfume, no thanks, I'm allergic. And keep me safe at night. So it's like all the things like don't wear at night, don't spray perfume, don't take in water, but it's like also cute, and I love that. Like, that is so creative. Like, good job to this company, because I love that. So yeah, no, definitely. Oh my goodness, I love this necklace. That's gorgeous. And we have this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in the scent Water. Ooh. And it is a special size. Let's open it up. So let's try some. I'm also a huge like lotion and hand cream person, so give me hand cream and I will love you forever. Oh, I kind of really like this. I really like this. Like, it's a nice, pretty neutral scent, so it's definitely something that you can keep in your purse and like not worry about people not liking the scent of, because there's not really any scent. It's very neutral and just moisturizing. Next thing we have is this whoosh, high performance natural beauty rose milk rice milk and rose cream cleanser. I really like the sleek packaging. It looks like a really nice face mask. Oh my gosh. Smells like a rose. I love that. It smells so pretty. Like, that just smells absolutely gorgeous. It's fine. Everything is fine. I'm just obsessed with it. Okay, so the next thing is this super cute like makeup travel bag. Let's see, yep, makeup train case. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's like this really pretty lilac color, and it has poppies on it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, and it has 2 pockets. One for brushes. I'm gonna cry from happiness. This is beautiful. So I'm really excited, especially because like I'm planning on traveling soon. So this is gonna be awesome. And it's actually like super decent sized. Also, my hands are slippery now because I put lotion on and I can't zip it up. It's fine. So I'm super, super excited about that because this is like so pretty and very like floral and just all the feels. Ooh, it's a luminizer prom. It's a luminizer primer from Dr. Brandt. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I've heard so many good things about Dr. Brandt. I like the smell of that. It's like so pretty and super light, and oh boy, that's like nice. Ooh. I'm so excited about that though. That should be super fun. Sponge gel. It's the multi-use sponge in Gowns Cleansing. Oh my gosh. I really like this. This smells so good. I love it. It's like a little flower. This is so cute. I love it. We have the Tula Probiotic Skincare Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads for Baby Smooth Skin. Oh, I like my skin to be smooth as babies. That's always very nice. So, the dual phase skin reviving treatment pads reveal brighter, visibly smoother, more even toned skin in just a single use. We call it our instant facial. Well, love instant facials. So that's pretty cool. I'm actually pretty, oh, and it has papaya again. Based on this, I like my papaya. And last but not least, we have this adorable towel. Oh my gosh. So it is, oh, so soft, and it has this like diamond pattern and a white stripe, and I'm just obsessing over it. Like, can I just, this will be so perfect to take to like the pool, or if I ever go to the beach, or more likely the lake. I hope I go to the beach. I miss the beach. Anyway, so I'm super excited about this because it's so cute, and yeah, I really like it. It's raining, it is raining, it is raining. No, it's not. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed that video because I absolutely loved filming it. Oh my gosh. Just getting a FabFitFun box for the first time was super, super exciting. Yeah. I'll just go, so. Tell me down below what kind of videos you want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys!
You would thank me whenever